Hi everyone, welcome to Grad to Corporate. Today we will cover the Cactus Communication Work from Home Internship and Lenovo's project or business analyst role. These are a great opportunity to kickstart your career right after the graduation. Make sure you watch till the end to not miss the apply links. Cactus Communication is a global technology company founded in 2002. They specialize in AI powered products for scientific research and publishing. Their solutions such as Edge and PaperPal help the researchers and organizations worldwide improve the productivity and quality. It's a great company to gain the exposure in tech driven environment. This internship is perfect for the freshers who want a hands-on experience in the product management. It's fully remote, lasts for 1 month, and the stipend is estimated between 3 to 5 LPA. You will get to work on the real projects and learn directly from the experienced mentors. As an intern, you will assist the product team in creating the enterprise solution. You will develop the guidelines for user, collaborate with the multiple teams, and then ensure that the project is delivered on time. This is a practical learning experience that will enhance your resume. Freshers pursuing the relevant degree with skills SQL, Excel, and visualization tools can apply. Strong communication, organizational skills, and a passion of learning are required. Previous exposure to SaaS or the product strategy is a plus. The selection process is simple. First, submit your online application. Next, the screen resume and conduct a technical assessment. After passing the assessment, you will have interview. Successful candidate receive an offer at the end. This internship gives you a remote work flexibility and the chance to work on a real project. You will also get a certificate, an Amazon voucher, and a potential of pre-placement offer to join full-time. It's a great way to kickstart your career. Lenovo is a global tech leader and the world's number one PC manufacturer. They produce ThinkPads, Motorola smartphones, and data center solutions. They are hiring freshers for analyst and project roles, providing the excellent learning opportunity. This role is for freshers in Bengaluru as a junior project or business analyst. The estimated salary is up to 4 LPA. It's a great way to gain experience in analytical and project management. As an intern, you will help in gathering the requirement, document workflows, track the project progress, and assist with the user acceptance testing. You'll also perform the basic data analysis and maintain the documentation, which is very essential in business operations. Freshers from relevant technical or management degree with a strong communication, documentation skills, and a proactive attitude can apply. Teamwork and eagerness to learn are highly valued. The hiring process at Lenovo involves submitting your online application, resume screening, and an online assessment followed by a technical interview. Successful candidates receive the offer at the end. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes, and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.